You can diagnose the electronic control system or test the air conditioning compressor while the battery is being equalized. It's a huge boost to your efficiency. Plus, the device shows you the real-time status, so you don't need to keep an eye on it from time to time. It now works with X431 diagnostic tools such as X431 Cat9 Link, Cat7 Link, and Cat5 Link, as well as some Pro Series scanners like X431 Pro 3 Link, etc. If you already have one of these diagnostic tools, just get EVM324 and you are good to go for equalizing and charging discharging. Our goal is to make X431 user nail EV repair. Now I'd like to show you some key features of the product. First, it supports operation of EV diagnosis, battery cell equalizing, and charging discharging for battery models at the same time with real-time monitoring of progress and status. It can diagnose 95% of EV models in the market, such as Tesla. It offers in-depth battery tech detection, helping you know clearly SOC, the state of charge, and SOH, the state of health. It can perform offline diagnosis of high-voltage core components like air conditioning compressors, DC-DC, and OBC. It equalizes up to 24 battery cells precisely, supporting mainstream battery types like lithium iron phosphate, lithium magnesium oxide, and lithium titanate. It offers high current charging and discharging with up to 48 charging and 28 discharging currents to meet the fast charging and discharging needs of battery packs. This device comes with multiple intelligent safety protection mechanisms. It has comprehensive protection functions like overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse connection, and over-temperature protection. It also has a multi-layer safety protection system to ensure stable operation and safe use of the battery system, preventing equipment from damage or safety hazards caused by power abnormal. It gives you reliable safety assurance. The EVM324 is designed for users who already have an X431 diagnostic tool like X431 Cat9 Link, Cat7 Link, Cat5 Link, or Pro 3 Link, etc. Users need to purchase the EV add-on kit and software for EV diagnostic functions. Without further investment on a new tablet, you can perform all the desired EV repair and maintenance functions. Now, let's welcome Keeler to demonstrate this product with me. Here is our EVM324. You see, it can work with the X431 diagnostic tool. The EVM324 integrates with equalizing, charging, and discharging the EV diagnostic function. It can perform the EV diagnostic function independently. First, connect the diagnostic connector to the vehicle and enter the EV diagnostic mode. If there are any fault codes, we can check on it and get the details for repair solutions on the tablet. Now for scanning the battery cells, we can see many malfunctions on the top load mechanism. Click one fault code. You can see the details of the fault code. There will be some information showing on the screen. Now, let's switch to battery pack diagnosis. Imagine a scenario: an EV comes to the shop with range issues. What do we do first? We use the diagnostic device to read the battery pack data screen to find out which cell voltage is too high or too low, and locate the abnormal cell in the battery model. Then, we need to charge or discharge it to quickly bringing its voltage in line with the others. Let's welcome Sheila again. Now we are connecting to the vehicle. We can see there are 4 ways to diagnose the battery pack: diagnosing via fast charging gun, diagnose via vehicle OBD connector, diagnosing via battery pack jumper wire, diagnose via non-standard connector or battery packs. Now we will choose to diagnose via the vehicle's OBD connector. Getting battery cell voltage difference, temperature difference, SOC and SOH information inside the process. If the connection takes a long time, please check the connector is well connected to the vehicle. Let's restart the process. Choose the motor vehicle model, choose the relevant information. Something wrong. And let's do it again. It's connecting via Wi-Fi, and we can see the 4 connecting ways. Now we enter into the process. As you can see, our device has already read information of the battery pack in detail. It shows the number of battery cells, the highest and lowest cell voltages, battery temperature, SOC and SOH information. If the battery pack voltage differences is abnormal, we will move on to the next step of equalizing. Now, let's move to the equalizing function. If we found the car's range is getting shorter, or the charging is abnormal, With the help of diagnostic device, you may detect that the battery pack voltage differences of a few millivolts. In this case, we can make use of equalizing function to work on the module directly. First, we go to the device function menu. Select Toolbox. Select Equalizing Module. Device will automatically search the SM of EVM324. Let's open the device first. Click the connection, and the device will automatically search the SM of EVM324. Click to enter into the main menu. Set the equalizing parameters. Before entering into the process, we will have on the parameter setting screen, it shows the live battery status, numbers of battery cells, current voltage, average voltage, highest voltage of battery cell, lowest voltage of battery cell, current voltage differences. Before start the equalizing process, we need to select the battery type, target voltage of battery cell, target current, cutoff current, and alarm cell voltage difference. The EVM324 equalized up to 24 battery cells at the same time, supporting mainstream battery types like NCM lithium battery, lithium iron phosphate battery, LTO battery. It uses a principle of charge an entire battery pack while discharging individual cells, with up to 28 fast charging to improve equalizing efficiency. After pressing the start button, a safety and well-connecting instrument will be prompted. During the process, you can see the visual information on the screen, like target current, module end voltage, average current, numbers of battery cells, highest cell voltage, lowest cell voltage difference. When we are repairing the battery pack and find that a battery module is abnormal and needs to be replaced, after the replacement, we need to perform a quick distribution of power to make the voltage of the new battery module cells consistent with the voltage of the cells in the other battery modules. We can choose the rapid charging or discharging function. Now let's go into the charging as discharging process. Back to the toolbox, select charge or discharging module. Connecting the device first. Enter into the process. Choose charge or discharge working model. Before that, we will see a safety and wiring connection instrument. On the parameter setting screen, it shows the live data status, numbers of battery cells, current voltage, average voltage, highest voltage of battery cell, lowest voltage of battery cell, and current voltage differences. Before start the equalizing process, we need to select the battery type, target voltage of battery cell, target current, cut-off current, and alarm cell voltage difference. There will be a suggested range of each parameters. Press Start to starting process. Also, during the process, you can see the visual information on the screen, like target current, module end voltage, average current, numbers of battery cells, highest cell voltage, lowest cell voltage differences. During the operation, our EVM324 provides comprehensive safety protection, such as overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse connection, and overtemperature protection, etc. Today, we will showcase two protections to you. If the module connection cable's positive and negative clamps are reversed, the device interface will show a cell channel cross connection alarm, and the status light on the EVM324 will flash red. Now let's see. Now we connect the positive cables to the negative and the negative clamps to the positive. You can see on the screen a cell channel cross connection alarm is prompting. Next, let's see the power down protection. We just show the reverse connection protection. Now we will show you the power down protection. If we disconnect the number 2 voltage collection line, the device interface will show a cell 2 over discharge protection alarm and a cell channel cross connection alarm. And the status light on EVM324 will flash red. Let's take off the number 2 voltage connection line. Now you can see the alarm is prompting on the screen. It says the cell 2 over discharge protection. Let's put the number 2 protect connection line back. Besides EV diagnosis and battery pack detection, we can also perform offline tests on new energy high voltage components such as compressors, DC-DC, and OBC. Let's take the compressor offline test as an example. Let's welcome Qile again. This is our ELA 400. Let's back to the main menu. Let's get into the EV diagnostic functions. Click the compression test module. We can choose the vehicle brand, when entering to the compressor testing process, it will have a warming information prompt up. Power up the diagnostic connectors and connect it to the compressor's communication interface using the dedicated compressor connectors. First, we can see the high voltage information on the top. Then we adjust the relevant voltage on the ELA 400. Power up. An orange light will show on. On the device, click Compressor Test. Select the vehicle brand. Choose the model and then select the corresponding part number from the compressor's nameplate. Click the Start. The device also has a connection jumper diagram. Now you can hear the compressor working. During the diagnosis or offline testing of high voltage components, there is a floating window on the tablet that can display the equalizing and charging-discharging status in real time. You can also check the current operating status of the equipment from the working indicator lights. Now we switch to the charging-discharging process. Now we are connecting to the EVM324. It's working. You can hear the sounds. When we are processing the charging and discharging process and then switch to the diagnostic test, you can see a floating window on the top right of the diagnosis. It can also switch to the smallest size. You can see the live data of the charging and discharging process. Click the floating window, we can back to the full window of charging and discharging process. The X431 diagnostic tool can be charged on EVM324 via the charging cable, like USB and DC charging cables. Users don't need to worry about the tablet running out of power. We can put the tablet on the EVM324, connect the relevant charging cable, and you will see it's charging. Thanks for Qile's operation. This product will be launched on April 13th. Once you get the product, you can use your X431 diagnostic tool with it to repair EV and its batteries. Today marks a milestone for LaunchTech. We made it from core technology breakthroughs to real-world applications, from addressing users' urgent needs to building a shared ecosystem. This new product is not just a device. It's a firm commitment from Launch to transform the automotive repair industry with intelligence. On behalf of LaunchTech, I want to thank everyone for your support. It's the trust of our partners, the feedback from our users,
设备它本来就是，它关的时候你还在讲。
它断的时候，基本上我就是讲到了这里。On behalf of LaunchTech， 然后这一段我就不讲了。
那还要他延长时间吗？
那不需要，我觉得就直接他讲完那个，我就讲完这个就好了。你可以稍微延长个5秒。
对吧？汽车后置的飞速发车倾斜，对吧？这个智能发车方案啊，这个尤其是新能源汽车，对吧？那今年中国已经在中国已经达到了多少万辆了？3000万辆，对不对？这个都可以开始都不开了吧？开始都不要开，
对，开始不要开，这个太早。
OK， 那么但是呢，我们的修理厂到底修新能源车需要什么设备？到现在为止，没有一个公司给出标准答案。那这个得讲出来吧？明白意思吗？就是大家都不知道用什么东西，对不对？好，那么好，我们新能源汽车要对车全车进行诊断，这个我们现在原则有了，对不对？我们要对电池包做诊断，我们现在原则也有了，对不对？我们要对电池的模组做均衡， 但是找不到一台这样符合我们修理厂、汽修厂的设备，所以我们很多汽修厂想做新能源转型，他不知道该怎么选，这个讲清楚了吧？最核心的嘛，明白意思了吗？你听得见吗？其实我倒认为呢，不要这些互动，你把你自己的感觉讲出来，互动就这么几句。
因为我们俩要一直在翻译的，我临时变得太多了，我
翻译能翻译吗？我操，这个速度！
我要临时讲。
现在给我玩，我可以现在翻。
我等一下刘总讲完了，我改一下。
好。
其实我这么讲句话你也能翻吧？讲慢点也可以翻吧？
我努力。
就是同时传，没关系的，传出来就无所谓。不要那么僵硬，既然是发布会，就是要有点态度出来嘛。你这他妈就照着练，有那种感觉，知道吗？其实我要是大家想告诉你的就是一个，今天这个讲完以后，所有的修理厂就认为，我操，他妈的，应该有一台这样的设备，我就可以修新能源电池了。你这个没想清楚，你搞那个东西，你搞产品培训了。至于那个东西演不演是都他妈不重要，摆在这里来，这个东西我们就放在这个东西是可以用的。